Hello everyone, and welcome to the YouTube channel for YayCommerce. In today's video, we will show you how to set your WooCommerce store to use specific currencies for different payment methods, simplifying the checkout process for your customers. So, if you need to scale your WooCommerce store globally, keep watching this video. To get this feature, you'll need the YayCurrency Premium, like the version we have on our WordPress dashboard. After installing the plugin, you can see the YayCurrency settings on the left-hand side of the screen. I'm going to open the settings page. There you will have four main options: Manage Currency, Checkout Options, Display Options, and Advanced Settings. If you check the Manage Currency section, you will see all the currencies we have added. You can click the plus button if you need to add more currencies to the checkout process. Add every currency you need to your store. This is an important step since you will force these currencies into the payment gateway. Once you are done with the configuration, save the changes. Now what you need to do is scroll down in the checkout options until you see the force currency for a specific payment method option. You need to enable this option, and you will see a few more sub-options on the page. If you take a closer look at the available options, you can see the available payment methods and the preferred currency for that specific payment method. By default, all the default currencies will be loaded for the payment methods. But with the help of the mentioned option, you can force specific currencies for specific gateways. For example, in this case for bank transfers, we are going to use USD, and for check transfers, we will use CAD. Now, you are ready to go. Another impressive feature YayCurrency has is the ability to display the currency based on user's country. To enable this function, you can go to the Advanced Settings and enable the Auto-Select Currency by Countries. Thus, YayCurrency will detect the user's country and display the currency based on their geolocation. On the other hand, you can pick the countries manually. Depending on your liking, you can customize the options. After making all the configurations, move to the front end to check. And try to purchase something using any of the payment methods. The YayCurrency plugin will redirect you to the specified currency. Well, that's how you can force currency for a specific payment method. As you can see in this video, it is pretty simple with the help of YayCurrency plugin. We have also shown you how you can display currency based on the user's location. If you need to run a WooCommerce store for a global audience, you can use the YayCurrency plugin. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to see more videos from us.